Hey peaches, what's up? Today we're gonna do a lookbook for all things fall. This is just my personal style, lots of sweats, sneakers, and cheetah print. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna jump right into it. All right, starting off strong. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of this kind of short in this. I actually think I just have one other pair, but anyways, they're from Amazon. They're so comfortable and lightweight. They're like under $20, perfect for the in-between season. This shirt I actually found, I think at Marshall's, but it's super popular. It's a Smashing Pumpkins style shirt. And then the shoes are from Walmart. Again, very affordable. I think this is a perfect look for whether you're just around the house, if you're going out for the evening, whatever you have. Comfortable, but still very cute. Very much in the style of the first look. Again, the Amazon shorts are just a win. Top is from Pink Lily, and my Birks are actually Steve Madden. I think this is a cute casual outfit, just like the first. This is my dream outfit. If there was one of these I was gonna pick that's like my style, it's this. The only thing I would change is I did sell my Doc Martens when I was hard up for cash, and I highly regret it. Boots are still cute, they're Pink Lily, but I think that would make this look even more complete. I love the touch of femininity with the mesh top, floral, and then kind of like a graphic tee, leaning into grunge a little. I just love every single thing about this look. You guys will definitely be seeing me wear something very similar to this probably all fall long. The mesh top is Pink Lily. The shirt I think is a vintage find. My jeans are Abercrombie and Fitch, and like I said, the boots are Pink Lily also. 10 out of 10 look on this one. This is one of my next favorite looks. However, my legs are what I'm most insecure about, and I'm really trying to get over it. I love this top. This is from Pink Lily. It's perfect for the spooky season. Skirt is Old Navy, and the shoes again are Pink Lily. I think you could also pair these with some knee-high boots and it would be just as cute, but I love this one. This is like the perfect coffee date kind of look. One thing about me is I love something that can be turned into like fashion, but it's basically like you're wearing pajamas. So I've just layered one of the like biker suits. I don't actually know what they're called. A jumpsuit, a leotard, I don't know what people call them now. Anyways, this is from Old Navy, super comfortable, really breathable, and it's not giving camel toe, so a round of applause for that. Throwing a sweater over this gives serious like Princess Diana vibes. Low effort, but still super cute. You do need the higher socks for this kind of look though, I will say. Again, shoes are Walmart, bodysuit is Old Navy, and my amazing shirt is from Cakeworthy. I saw it and I knew I had to have it. The back says trick or treat. I think this look is everything. Super duper love this outfit too. I got this sweatshirt actually off of Poshmark years ago, and I love the green pink color combination. I think it's so underrated and underappreciated. It's just so girly and cute. I love it. I have seen other people wearing this, so I'm not sure. There's no tags on it, so I don't know where it's from, but try to find something similar for you guys. The pants are like from 3 seasons ago, Altered State. I just love, like I said, the pink green combo. My shoes actually are from Walmart again, and I love the pink pop on them. I think that they tie the whole look together in an unexpected way. This is obviously one I would have to wear way later in the season here in Georgia, or otherwise I would literally die of a heat stroke. Definitely one for saving for later. I love this one. I think a tennis skirt with any kind of sweater is just a year-round staple. I love it. This one is from Altered State, and I will tell you, if you are bigger in your butt, hips, thighs, skip Altered State. They're made for very, very tiny people, and their largest sizes are still very small. I do hardly fit into this skirt. I need to get another one. Top is from Pink Lily. You guys saw my haul a little while back. I also got this in blue, and I think the blue would be more like later in the season to wear. I just love the pink, and I also get to still wear the Walmart sneakers with the pop of pink on them as well. I just obsessed with this outfit. It wouldn't be me without sweatpants. I have more sweatpants looks coming up too, but I love this one. This is something I wear on the daily already, and I just think it's so perfect to transition into fall, especially with the camo. The color palette on this is perfect. If you actually have Birkenstocks, I would just get kind of like, this is almost like a tan green color, and it just goes so well with these pants. These pants are from Abercrombie and Fitch, and the shirt is Amazon. Super great quality on the shirt. It's very nice and thick and perfect for winter. Another look I totally love. So these jeans are actually from H&M, and they are men's jeans. So just going for like super slouchy baggy, and then the trench coat over top kind of makes it look a little bit more structured. Coat is from Zara, t-shirt is Old from Target, and of course the Uggs. There's something about slouchy jeans and Uggs that's just chef's kisses. I love the baguette bag too to tie it together. Again, it kind of makes it look a little bit more intentional and structured and not like sloppy, just like slouchy, you know? I know what you're thinking. If you've not discovered the palette of baby blue and cheetah print together, you're truly missing out. There's something that's so pleasing to the eye about it. So I just have this little baby blue shirt I thrifted, the same H&M jeans, and then these cheetah print boots that I got at Plato's years ago. I just think it's the perfect pop. I think the darker jacket to tie it all in together is everything it needs to be. Jacket is from Old Navy. If I could encourage you to try a new color palette, do some like magenta, pink, baby blue, cheetah print, like something, because it's so fun to do it. I don't know, I just love it. This jacket is perfect too because it's not really oversized, but it's long, you know what I mean? And I love a jacket that is like swallows me up like that. I'm not sure how many times I've been like, this is my favorite look of all of this. This may be my favorite look of all of the looks. Again, I love the slouchy jeans with an UGG moment. I love a buttoned up shirt that's kind of like sloppily done. Somehow still gives you that like structure, a little bit of sophistication. If you're not in the Bible Belt, you could do an even bigger peekaboo moment with a bra, a cami, something underneath. I just have it slightly undone. Uggs, H&M jeans. This is an old Target button down. You could find a button down anywhere. And then the real star, I feel like, is this slouchy boho bag from Old Navy. I recently shared this over on my Instagram. If you guys are looking for the link for it, they have such good bags this season. I was like, okay, Old Navy. I just feel like this is the kind of outfit you look at a girl and you're like, I know she smells good. She's like got her life together, even though it looks so like it just looks baggy. I don't know, it just looks ununiform, but it doesn't look sloppy, and I just love this kind of look. This one's so obvious, I'm not even wearing shoes with it. I just want to give some styling tips on a sweat set, how to make it look intentional and not sloppy, pajama-ish, messy, like you have not gotten yourself ready for the day. Don't underestimate a slick back bun with this. There's something about a slick back bun, slick ponytail with this kind of thing that just looks so chic. For your pants, get some joggers, get cargo joggers, something that gives you a little bit more shape. Joggers, if you have not noticed or don't know the difference between the two, sometimes I'll just default to sweatpants, that kind of style. Joggers are gonna hug your ankles and it's not gonna make it look like you're walking all over your pants, which honestly is a style I prefer. Gives you a little bit more shape. These particularly I love because they have the pipe lining down the middle, which kind of just gives your leg a little bit more shape than a traditional sweatpants. You are oversized in your sweatshirt or your hoodie. Obviously you can tuck that in, give yourself a little bit of waist there, do a sling bag with this, and it just is the fit. Another set sweat style and color palette I think is worth mentioning. This dark hunter green is so perfect for the fall seasons. Really, most greens I feel like are so good for the fall season, except for maybe like a neon or like super pale. But again, the cheetah print, I think it's going to be a really big trending thing this season. This is my newest bag from Fabletics. I literally don't even have the tags off of it, but the darker cheetah print like this goes so good with the hunter green. All the tips I said on the last set, which both of these are from Marshall's, but you can find sweat sets anywhere for any budget. That concludes this lookbook for fall. I hope you guys loved it. This was so much fun to put together. I know that my style is probably not everybody's style. That's why style is style, but I still hope you were able to draw some inspiration and creativity to put some spark into your everyday outfits. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.